Hello everybody, here it is, the final fully restored Singer 24. If you remember from the photographs I put on Facebook, this is what the poor old girl looked like. And you'll see that rusty old plate would originally have been black, but actually, like so many other sewing machines, it looks much better, just polished steel. And all these decals have come up absolutely beautifully, and the original detail of the machine is just shining through. And interestingly, the Singer 24, which came out of the New Jersey plant in America, there were lots of versions, but this one was where they nearly perfected the perfect stitch, and they did that by this little finger there pulling the thread off the reel each stitch it made, and then it had a pre-tensioner, a tensioner, automatic tensioner, and then it went round to the threading up onto the front of the machine. All in all, it created the most beautiful stitch. And when I restore a machine like this, I always put the little badge on there to say that I've done it. So these machines, they just look stunning. And I'm just going to turn it now so we see. Of course, it produces the chain stitch, which we all know with the 24. But just listen to that. Almost silent. You can just hear the thread ticking over the hook underneath. Absolutely beautiful. Of course, it would run. It's still got the pulley for the... You can still put it straight onto a treadle. And they say that the 24s were so smooth and so well balanced that in a factory, they could crank this up to 4,000 stitches a minute. I mean, can you believe it? That's such a beautiful looking machine, not much larger than a toy really, could be used for hat making or whatever. Just fantastic little model, and one of Singer's best-selling chain stitches. Bye for now.